Hi everyone, I am Ramashish Gupta. This is Ramashish Gupta, civil engineer. Once again, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you about the diversion of road, how to divert the traffic on a temporary road during the construction of existing road, bridges, etc. Without any accident, without any obstacle, as per a specification and engineer satisfaction. So in this video I will explain you all these things. So let's begin the video. Please watch the video till the end. So first of all, I will explain you passage traffic along a temporary road, temporary diversion. In stretches where it is not possible to pass the traffic on part width of carriageway. So what we'll do in this condition, I will construct a temporary diversion road with 7 meter carriageway and 2.5 meter earthen shoulder on each side. It means total width of road including earthen shoulder should be 12 meters. The flowing provision of road crust in the 7 meter width. There are different layers, like first layer is earthwork, then 200 mm compacted granular subbase, then 225 mm compacted granular base course, and then priming and tack coat, and the final premix carpet with seal coat or mix seal surfacing. The location of such stress, alignment and longitudinal section of diversion, including junction and temporary cross drainage provision, shall be as approved by the engineer. In another condition, where passage of traffic along part width of existing carriageway under improvement, for widening and strengthening of existing carriageway, where part width of existing carriageway is possible to use for traffic diversion. So in this condition, what we will do? In this condition, treated shoulder should be provided on that side where work is not progress. And treated shoulder should be at least 1.5 meter its width and constructed with 150 mm granular base layer and covered with bituminous surface. And the treated shoulder should be maintained throughout the period during the traffic uses the same to the satisfaction of engineer. The continuous length in which such work shall be carried out, it would be limited normally to 0.5 km at a place, however, where work is allowed by the engineer in longer stretches, passing place. At least 20 meter long with additional paved width of 2.5 meter shall be provided at every 0.5 km intervals. In case of eccentric and concentric widening of existing 2-lane to 4-lane, in this condition, how to divert the traffic? So I will explain you through the video. So let's go to the additional 2-lane would be constructed first and the traffic diverted to it, and only thereafter the required treatment to the existing carriageway would be carried out. And after the work are constructed with the approval of engineer, the treated shoulder shall be dismantled and the debris disposed of and the area clear as per the direction of engineer. Thanks for watching. Like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.